Hey, good people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those who are new here, my name is Fanny's J. Yes, Fanny's J is my name, my YouTube name. Kindly make sure you subscribe before you continue watching. Make sure you like the video as when you finish and as you're watching it. Put a thumbs up if you really like it and put the notification ringer bell on if you like my video. Thank you so much. So today I'm traveling to my home, my native home, where my father and mother lives. They come from, but we live in Nakuru town. So today I'll be showing you my journey, and I'll be putting videos still more on my village vlog. So guys, keep it here, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell me what you think about them. So as you can see in the video, we are in Kisumu. Guys, I live in Kakamega County. I don't live in Kisumu. I'm half Luo, half Luya, but I'm a Luo anyway. So I live in Kakamega County in a village called Eshisundusia Village. We call it in Luo Sundusia Village. So kindly watch, subscribe, like, and comment. Keep it here. And guys, finally we are here at not really home, but we are in Ugunja. This place called Ugunja, when you alight here, you have to take a motorbike to the place where we stay, to Eshisundusia village. So I'm starting my journey, as you can see. So yes, we are going on the journey on a motorbike to where we live. Eshisundusia village. In Luya they say that, but in Luo we say Sundusia village. So come along with me, we see as we continue with the journey. Keep it here, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Just watch. Maybe I'm passing your place. Maybe one day we'll do a vlog with you guys. So I'm looking forward to that much. Yes. So keep it here with me as we continue the journey to my village. And guys, I don't know so much about my village, but I know, you see where we are right now? This is Stand. This is the only landmark I know when you get off-road. It's called Stand, and this signpost has been written Kakamega County, Shisundushia Village. And the light, when I always see the light, I know that I've not gotten lost. I know where I'm going. So we continue, and it's not far. Then boom, we get close to where my parents live. Of this road, just like 2 minutes from the Stand, and we are here. This is where my parents have built a house. This is where my dad's compound is, and our stay here has just begun. So keep it here. We go together on this journey with you guys. After the occasion, then I'll be here still going rounds in our village. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Fanny's J. For those who don't know me, for those who know me, keep it here. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, tell me what you think about my videos. Guys, put a thumbs up if you really love it. So today we're taking a tour to my home. Yes, we call it Tushago. I'm here. We are here for my grandfather's ceremony. My days here will not be in vain. I'll be utilizing the days here, taking you around my place here, seeing the activities that will be taking place here until the day that I'll be going back to Nakuru. So keep here, stay tuned, watch till the end. Tell me what you think about my videos, and tell me if you come somewhere closer, I might be having my neighbors who are watching my videos. So keep it here, watch it till the end. Guys, subscribe, like, comment, share, put a thumbs up, notification ringer bell on. So my people, this is my father's compound. Yes, it's my father's compound. We are still constructing our house. I'll show you even my grandfather's compound, but as at right now I've arrived. Just got here and I had to stay at my mom's place. We are still restructuring and everything that's taking place, and still this is our farm. Yes, this is our farm here. It's so big. The maize gone dry, I don't know. So this, I will take a tour around the farm, but not right now. I'll take it so that you can see a clear picture. But this is the land of my dad. We go this way where this house is, the structure until the far end. Then it's just steps like meters to my grandmother's house. I'll be going there so that you can see how my grandmother's house looks like. Go. We keep it here, we see the activities, so keep it here. You see the structures at our home. This is the house. Though we have our main house, my brother's house are surrounding here. Yes, this is our community, the cultures, the cultural practices. Leave alone the bombers of Nakuru. So these are the structures that are here. This is the kitchen. I have my 3 brothers' houses. The last born in the family is the only one who's not built his house. Yes, and it should be somewhere closer here. So the bigger house is my mother's house. Yes, so this is the structure. Still yet to see more, the activities that will be taking place around here. So keep it here, subscribe, like, comment, share, and tell me what you think about my videos. Boom! At my grandfather's compound, as you can see from a distance. Yes, so this is how it's going down here. And briefly, as you can see, there are no much houses here. That's a new built kitchen, and that big house is my grandfather's house. Yes, so the boys are moving, the men are moving out of their father's compound. They have to get their own compound and build from there with their family. Guys, we have maize outside here, and this maize is for preparation to my grandfather's memorial service. Yes, it's so unfortunate. When my grandfather died, I was not in Kenya. I was working in UAE. And guys, I couldn't miss this event for today. We have plenty of firewood too, as you can see. And I'm getting closer to my grandfather's grave. It has been cemented. Yes, as you can see, my grandfather passed away. It was really terrible being away and not attending the burial. May his soul rest in peace. We loved you. God loved you most. You'll always forever be in our hearts. It hurts, but we leave everything to God. Rest in peace, grandfather. Quick one, guys. I don't know if you've spotted a pot there. I've spotted it. We call it changa. In Kikuyu, they call it muratina theirs. And my grandmother brewed it. So you can imagine, yeah? And here doing a machoma. We did not sleep. Actually, I transnited. You can imagine traveling, coming, getting home. You have to arrange like all the things. Being the first grandchild around, I had to assist. And it was going down nicely with my mom around.
Adonya te kitieko ticham ringi dhi kama idhiye.
This is morning. I had not slept. I had to check out to assist because I was the one who's in charge of welfare. The meat is so ready. As you can see, I'm just assisting in turning a little bit, though my cousin is just there closer to me and my auntie is on the other side. Yes, so we are going on with the preparation. Tea is there. Being born and raised in town doesn't mean I cannot put on the firewood. Well, gladly I can, and yes, I did it. As you can see on this video, it wasn't easy with the smoke choking me, being tired, moving up and down, ensuring that my side is okay, everything is sorted. Guys, I had a hard time, but it was worth it. I really enjoyed being in charge and I really enjoyed assisting. So right now we are making tea for the guests. We really had like, it's in 2 hours they're supposed to be here. On the other side, there are people who are assisting to make mandazis. And on this other side, we are here busy making sure that our tea is ready because we have to do 2 sufurias. Yes, we had to do 2 pots of tea. Yes, and you can imagine life in Ushago, native home life. So nothing like thermos. We have to wash the jerry cans. We put tea the first round, then again we wash, we put another tea back to the firewood so that it can cook and people can enjoy. So keep it here. See how busy people are. Those who are cooking mandazi are cooking mandazi. Those who are making tea, like me and my aunties, we are doing it. So I'm really, really grateful for the village people who are there. People from distance, they came to assist us and the event was really successful. So we really, really enjoyed it as much as how hard it seemed to be, though we managed it and we really thank God for it. So keep it here, watch till the end, guys. Now subscribe, kindly subscribe to my channel, please. And here, busy after finishing everything. I had to go fetch water to shower. Yes, not drinking. The place where I'm going is where we fetch water to shower, not clean for drinking. And I was done fetching water, just enough water for me to shower. Guys, I was really tired. As you can see me here, very tired, transniting and waking up ensuring that everything is set. Then you take a shower and go back to the event, to the mass event. It was not easy. So I was really tired with the kids around. Yes, so I really love it. So keep it here, guys, for my part 2 of my village vlog. I really have a lot to show you guys. Keep it here, subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.